Yeah, guys, let's talk about Billion Network Airdrop. Many of you keep on tweeting and like talking about Billion Network Airdrop. So today we're going to be discussing about how to get eligibility, register, and get eligible. So guys, we have only 3 days, 21 hours, 33 minutes to work on this Billions Network. So let me click on login. Now, when you click on login, you are going to be able to use your Phantom wallet to access this airdrop, and also you are going to get your criteria to like be eligible for this airdrop. Let me click on register with my Gmail account. So when you click on register with your Gmail account, you have to use your account to just register. So I'm going to be bypassing that aspect. Then I go to how to like link your Phantom wallet. So after that, we are going to move ahead to our eligibility. So let me work on that so we can all see. Yeah. So how many of you are having this error? I think I'm having same error. I keep on trying this last week and I saw something like this. So you're having certificate expired, not yet valid. So make sure to work on this. So if you're having same error with me, you can go under the comment section. Let me see those of you having the same error on this your Billion Network airdrop.